I decided I'm going to put her into the goat house instead to help keep down the flying stuff in here. So this is going to be our first occupant of the goat house. I'll just make sure not to spray the stuff over here if she'll get out and not. Holly. That's not her fangs. Does that mean it's a male? Are those his things that he uses to insert the semen packs? I don't know. Or are those his fangs on the ends of those? Oh my gosh, look at that. Are those his fangs way over there? What the heck is this? Tell me y'all are seeing this. Those look like fangs coming out. What? You've got to be kidding me. Is this thing a mutant? Are you an alien? What are you? I'm not sure I want to put you in here now. Dude. What are you? Okay, we're just gonna tappy you out. You're gonna stay over there. You're gonna stay over there, okay? Stay over there. No. There you go. Creepy looking thing.